Hello everyone. If you are recently gotten a new scene, maybe after landing PR, or you just need to update your information in your CRA account, I am walking you through how to do it in 2025 step by step. Let's dive in. Understand how scene update works. Good news service Canada automatically send your new scene to the CRA. Take care, you can see the CRA check each week, so you don't usually need to contact CRA directly. However, you do need to set up or update your CRMI account with the new scene to access your information. Here is the sign up option, and is the immigration and citizenship, travels, tax benefits, environment, and natural resources. And we go to the and go to the Government of Canada, see receiving your scene and updating your scene records. Here you Service Canada store your personal information in the social insurance registered. This information includes scene, your name, your date of birth, place of birth, and parents' name. Here all of information is there. After you applying for a new SIN through Service Canada online or in person, wait about 5 business days. You will get a confirmation and your new SIN will be linked to the CRA. Sign in or create your CRMI account. Visit CRA file and to my Service Canada account. Choose individual account and your new SIN during sign up. Here is variation updating information link into your existing scene. Once sign in, you should see your scene and personal details populated. Your tax history, like notice of assessment, should appear, which confirms the transition. If something's missing, give it a little time. It may sign quickly, or contact CRA directly to double click check. And once you are in your CRA account, you can also update your address, phone, email, marital status, etc. all under profile contact information. Here is the all contacts, and you can find the information. If you temporary scene expired, you can search and show the all information. Here is a quick and easy way to update your scene in your CRA account and in 2025. If this helped, like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.